So I decided to customize my bike. I figured it needed a new paint job, and man, that paint job was ugly. So plus there was all crappy and stuff. Anyway, I took everything off from the top of the gas to. I also sanded everything, front fender, and even my helmet. Decided to do it all. I cleaned everything off as much as I could. And oh yeah, I also got these new Harley Davidson Chucks, bang, Chucks, baby. They go hard. Thank you very much. Anyway, so I took all the pieces, I hung them up outside. Yeah, that paint job was trash. Then I sprayed them with primer just to get things started. Needed a fresh coat. So yes, it's in my backyard. What to do, and follow me for part 2.